Good morning, sir. I am Akash Kumar Bhagat, and I am going to discuss about the meaning of microfinance. So, first of all, we'll see the introduction and foundation and origin and mechanism as well as impact and challenges. Or, and lastly, I will conclude. So, talking about the introduction and foundation of microfinance. Understanding microfinance. So, it is a small finance or big impact. First, microfinance empowers undeserved communities worldwide through accessible small loans for fostering economic growth and financial inclusion globally. Talking about global financial inclusion connect networks enable individuals in developing regions to build business, create employment, and achieve sustainable economic independence. Now, talking about the meaning of microfinance. So, core definition of microfinance is microfinance provides financial services to low income individuals lacking traditional banking access, from promoting economic inclusion and opportunity. Talking about the key services provided by microfinance. Microfinance encompasses microloans, saving accounts, insurance products, and money transfer services for undeserved population. Microfinance basically provide loans for mm, urban areas people. Thirdly, we will talk about target audience. The main audience targeted for microfinance. Primary beneficiary includes entrepreneurs in developing countries, small farmers, and women self-group seeking financial empowerment with less mm, rate of interest. Talking about the core principles of microfinance, it is easily accessible and inclusively driven microfinance, ensuring financial services and managing commercial worldwide. So the problem of financial exclusion, systematic banking barriers, predatory alternative solutions, economic hardship cycle, and why microfinance matter. So talking about systemic banking barriers. So it is a traditional bank which reject poor applications lacking collateral or established credit history, creating widespread financial exclusion for population. Talking about the predatory alternative solutions to dispense individuals restore to local money lenders charging exploratory interest rates, trapping families in debt cycle and financial uh, vulnerability. Talking about economic hardship cycle. So without credit access, poor families cannot start business or recover from emergencies or poverty and limited economic mobility opportunity. And why microfinance matter? Microfinance addresses systematic barriers by providing accessible credit solutions designed specially for undeserved population as well as economic opportunity. Now coming to section 2, that is origin and mechanisms where it had started. So where did it start? During 2024 it started. uh, as of 24 in 1970 microfinance experiments begin. So it was done by Dr. Muhammad Yun Yunus lent $27 uh, to 42 women in Bangladesh for furniture production, as well as pioneering microfinance initiative. Talking about 2025, in 1983, Grameen Bank founded. Grameen Bank established as formal microfinance institution transforming experimental lending into structural banking operations. And uh, around 2026, Nobel Peace Prize recognitions by Dr. UNES and German Bank awarded Nobel Peace Prize, validating microfinance global impact on poverty elevation. Talking about regulatory movement's origin, it is the modern microfinance emerged from grassroots, providing small loans, empower entrepreneur and economic for undeserved, and it could come during 2027. Now, how does microfinance work? So, microfinance work basically in four categories: the key operational mechanism, group lending structure, repayment performance, and loan duration. So, key operational mechanism consists of loan amount at what it had started as well as low rate of interest, making financial access possible for the protest, protest population worldwide. Talking about group lending structure, which borrows organized in small groups, providing mutual support and loan guarantees through accountability and mechanism. Talking about the repayment performance, at what rate the uh, people pay the loan, despite serving improvised population, microfinance achieve payment rates exceeding 95% consistently. And duration of the loan is long-term duration, typically spans 6 months to 1 year, enabling mag- manageable repayment schedule for borrowers. And more than just loans, microfinance services offering, it offers micro savings services, insurance solution, money transfer service. So in micro service offering, it offers credit, small loans, as well as talking about it provides safe, secure, and places for individuals to save small amount. Talking about insurance, it is affordable insurance coverage for health, crops, and life. Talking about money transfer, it is easily transferable, safe and reliable money transfer. Now coming to impact and challenges faced by this. So empowering lives through microfinance, women's financial independence. Over 80% of microfinance borrowers are women, gaining financial independence and strong family voice. Talking about poverty reduction impact, it enables people to start small business like dairy farming, sewing, and retail shop. Talking about building self-reliance culture, fostered saving habits and entrepreneurship mindset. Talking about real transformation stories, showcase positive transformations stories and measurable social impact. Now, is it good always good? So high interest rate, number one challenge. Talking about high interest rate, MFIS charge rates exceeding regular banks, increasing borrowers financial burden and debt. Talking about over indebtedness, borrowers accumulate multiple loans simulations. Talking about systematic limitations, loans alone cannot address poverty without education, healthcare, and balanced preservative perspective. Microfinance offers opportunity yet carries real risk, requires honest analysis of both financial and limitations. Talking about, uh, I would like to conclude that a tool for dignity, that core messages, key benefits, strategic value, and call of action. So microfinance translate financial transactions. It fundamentally provides genuine opportunity for economics. Then the key benefits are microfinance restores human dignity by enabling poor communications committees to work. Strategic values responsible for microfinance emerges as a transformative economic. And talking about the call to action, commit to respective microfinance practices ensuring dignity. And that's all from my side. Thank you, sir.